What's going on, digital marketers? Nick Rehmani here, and today we're diving deep into the AI revolution, a powerful wave that's reshaping how we create, communicate, and operate. But it's not just about efficiency and innovation, it's also about responsibility. So let's explore how to harness AI tools like ChatGPT and in-video AI to enhance our workflows without compromising the soul of our content. Guess what? The AI revolution has arrived, folks, transforming industries across the board. See, in digital marketing, AI tools offer unprecedented abilities to streamline processes and boost creativity. However, as with any technology, there's a flip side. AI can be misused, leading to concerns about authenticity and ethical implications. So today, we'll focus on how to use these tools wisely, ensuring that they assist rather than dominate. Imagine AI as your personal assistant. Tools like ChatGPT can help you with grammar checks, spelling corrections, and refining the structure of your content. This can save you from the tedium of manual editing, allowing more time for creative thinking. Similarly, in-video AI can assist in video content creations, providing templates and suggestions that enhance your storytelling without overshadowing your creative input. Despite these benefits, it's crucial to keep your content's heart and soul intact. AI should not replace the unique voice and personal touch that defines your brand. Use AI to handle the basics or to provide initial drafts, but always add your personal insights and experiences. Authentic content resonates more deeply with audiences, fostering trust and engagement. One of the greatest advantages of AI in digital marketing is its capacity to save you hours in research. AI can quickly analyze data trends, consumer behaviors, and market insights, providing you with a solid base to craft your strategies. By integrating AI tools into your research phase, you can focus more on analysis and decision-making, ensuring that your strategies are data-driven and effective. In conclusion, the AI revolution is not something to fear, but to strategically embrace. Use AI as a tool to enhance your abilities, not to replace them. Keep your content genuine and let AI handle the routine, allowing you more time to innovate and connect with your audience. Remember, in the heart of digital marketing, authenticity and personal connections are key. Stay true, stay creative, and let AI be your ally on this journey. If you found this guide helpful, consider implementing some of these AI tools in your strategy. For more tips on digital marketing and using technology to your advantage, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit freedomlifebusiness.com if you are open to learn how you can earn substantially from home and obtain your freedom. Together, let's navigate the digital landscape with intelligence and integrity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.